everyone, this is Franklin Zavalia with Frankly Speaking. I'd like to talk to you about what a Heloc is, or a home equity line of credit. What it is borrowers actually borrow against the available equity in your property, and your house is actually used as collateral for the line of credit. So what happens is you actually have a limit as to how much you're approved for. And what the purpose of this is to either pay off debt, credit cards, home improvements. There's actually a lot of benefits to it, and you don't actually have to use it. So it's almost as if you have a credit card, but instead of a credit card, you're actually borrowing against the property. So let's say we have a limit of $50,000 to use. You have a draw period, either 5 or 10 years, for example, as to how long you can actually use the equity line for. So let's say you have bunch of money in credit card debt totaling, I don't know, 20, 25, 30,000, and your monthly payments are, let's say, 1,000 a month minimum obligations. So with a home equity line of credit, if you do decide you want to consolidate that debt, rather than having multiple credit card payments, you actually have one payment, and it's amortized over a longer period, so it actually decreases your monthly expenses and obligations. So the benefit of that is that it actually helps improve your credit. It's also a much lower rate than what a credit card offers. So it's actually beneficial to you. Other than using it for debt consolidation, you can use it for home improvements as well. So if you need to update your kitchen or bathroom or whatever it could be, just use your home equity line of credit. And let's say you're paying it off, you're paying it down, you can keep using it as many times as you want. So let's say, once again, your limit's $50,000. For example, and you're using 25, you still have another 25,000 you can use. Once you pay it down, you can keep using it again, back and forth until your draw period expires. Once that ends, then everything is amortized for the remaining balance in the remaining amount of time for the loan. So you do have a draw period, like I said. So it is super beneficial to have a home equity line of credit. Also, I wanted to mention that even though you have a Heloc, you don't necessarily need to use it, but it's also good to have for emergencies for the future. So I have one. Most people I know have one. It's good to keep one handy just in case. So hopefully this answers some questions about what a Heloc, or a home equity line of credit, is and how it could be beneficial to you. Thank you.